Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make live edits in a Confluence page. You ever working in a team and you need to make live edits within your Confluence account and you just need it to be in real time? Well, there is a way of doing this. First of all, you need to open up one of your pages. Now, this is my space name, and as you come down here, you will see all of my content. So here are all my pages. I'm going to open up this page over here, and what we will now do is click on edit. Now, if you simply click on edit, you can make changes and then update it. But this is not being done in real time. This is being done in draft, and once you click on update, it will then become live and available to everyone else in your space. What you can do now, if you want to do this live and collaborate with other members, is go up to the top, look at the three dots, and over here, all the way at the bottom, it says switch to live editing. Click on that, click on confirm, and right now you have a live document. And this will now allow you to make changes. So for example, as that is being removed, now whoever is viewing this page at the same time will see this in real time. Once you're done making any changes that you'd like to make, you can see it is being saved in real time. You can just go and tap on the three dots and you can come all the way back down here and say convert to page. This will allow you to convert it back to a page, whereas you can edit the page, as you can see again, edit the page again in draft. Now, if you'd like to create a page like this, you can simply go up, click on create, click on live doc, and now this document that you've got right here, you'll be able to share in real time with collaborators. So whoever is viewing this page right now, they can actually see what is happening in real time. The same thing applies over here. Once you're done, you can go and click on the three dots, come down and say convert to page. It will then be saved and you can edit it thereafter.